Bit gloomy now. It is daytime though. It's bit gloomy, but you can see the cricketers are crying even though it is daytime. They are just fluttering their wings at unimaginable speed. That's why it creates a very strange, very peculiar sound, and not the sound they make actually. It's the sound of their wings. When they flutter too fast, it makes a very special sound. That's what you can hear. And a small fly, cricketer is a small fly. Wind is blowing right now, soft wind. So thank you for watching.